Hi folks, Dom from Essential RC here, part 2 of our story with the Freewing PJ50T twin EDF jet, business jet, isn't it? You know, and the last time I brought it out, it was equally windy and it was really getting battered by the wind. So some suggested, and I agree, why not try gyro? So in this time I've got an FrSky S8R, the stabilised version of the 8-channel receiver from FrSky. So I've got the gain on a dial. I'm going to take off with it turned off first, do a pass to show how bumpy it is, and then turn it on, and let's see if it makes a difference. If it makes a bumpy day like today, make it a flyable day. But I have no problem flying in the wind. Actually, jets tend to cut through it. I'm not sure this does so well, but we'll see. We'll, you don't know unless you give it a go. Let's try. Okay, Sam? So that's with stabilisation off. Stabilisation on. And you know what? I noticed straight away. Wow.
That's very stable, wasn't it?
Wow. You know, I noticed straight away, bang, it locked in. I mean, I don't know how that looks to you, but that is way more locked in than it was without it. I'm not going to kid you, it still is a bit of a handful on a windy day like today. But it's a lot better with that gyro on. Sun has gone in behind a cloud, that's nice. I think we're going to have to prep for landing. Gear down. Flaps 1. Sun comes out. Turning on to final, full flaps.
Oh, just about enough runway there.
Oh, well, I knew the wind was going to slow it up. I'm really happy with that. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I'm so amazed what difference that gyro made. I had the gain on about 20% and flicked that on after that first pass, and it immediately, you know, you might not have noticed it, but it was like bang, it locked, and it looked so much better in the sky. Amazing how a gyro can transform a model and make a day like today flyable, really, and more enjoyable to fly on. It doesn't fly it for me, just makes it more enjoyable. It just cancels out some of that turbulence. So this was now using the FrSky S8R, not the X8R that I did have in it. It's using a 4max 6S 6000 60C pack from 4max, which are brilliant lipos. So please look those up from George Worley at 4max.co.uk. And I really like it now. You know, that first flight I was thinking, God, why did I get this? But now I really like it, and it flies differently than anything else that I've had before. So thanks to Sam on camera, and thanks for watching Essential RC as always. I hope you enjoy what we do, because I do it because I really enjoy the hobby and just exploring the vast and wide and broad range of things that you can fly in this hobby. Not just flying, but driving and sailing and all that type of stuff. So thanks again, and we'll see you soon on Essential RC. Take care.